Hello out there once again. Today, where are we, Jonas? Where are we, Sally?
Amsterdam.
Yeah, we are in Amsterdam. Today we are a day out as a family. Yes, we are in Amsterdam and we just want to go for a day trip. So we are going to have some fun, to enjoy ourselves as a family, and to go for a boat ride, some cruising in Amsterdam. So you guys are coming with us and we want to show you how it is being done in Amsterdam in a day. So enjoy this particular day. Hello.
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 There is the police, yes?
Okay, so enjoy the vlog. Let's see, that's good? Okay.
Kijk, anders zouden we hier moeten parkeren.
I like where we park.
Dit kan er maar niet over met de handen afkomen. Mensen lopen hier overal. Ja. Ja, dat weet ik. Dan moet je heel even wachten.
So we go like this. Yeah, so let's go like this. And this is the walking zone. Yeah, we are now walking towards the boat where we made an appointment. So we are walking towards that direction and we'll get there, I think, within 4 minutes, then we are there. So we are heading towards the boat. We want to have a nice time together. Huh? This is the first time the children are coming to Amsterdam, so they are so excited. As you can see, they are very excited to see the big city of Amsterdam, the capital city of Netherlands. So yeah, we are almost there. Oh, we are there.
Waar? Waar is de oranje vlag daar?
Yeah.
Waar zie jij de oranje vlag? Daar.
So we are in the city center. Finally, we are in the city center.
Daar.
Wow. This is what I like about Amsterdam. Their train station, the station is so beautiful. So they have one of the most beautiful train stations in the Netherlands, is Amsterdam.
Ja, but they are for long building this.
Yeah,
Gaan we met die?
yeah, one of them. Love it. I think we need to cross.
Daar staat Lover.
Yeah, love it.
Oh, hij mag ons allemaal oversteken zonder stoplicht.
Yeah.
Daar zijn
So we are going with one of those. We are there, and we'll be going with one of these boats, which goes every 30 minutes. So I hope we are on time. I hope we are on time. Otherwise, we have to wait for another 30 minutes. Yeah, we have to check for the ticket. think it will just take a while. Then we have already made a reservation. We already bought a ticket, so I don't know if either we have to be in the queue or not. We have to check for that. We still have to wait there.
Ja, dat over kaartjes.
Okay. Okay. Even though we already have the ticket, we still have to be in the queue so that they can check. So we have to wait for a while.
Zitten.
Amsterdam. Ja, kan jij zitten? Wij zijn er bijna, oké? Ja, bijna. Yeah, they are so excited. They can't wait to be into the boat. And the boat is going for an hour, so it will be a very nice ride, I guess. Of course, Amsterdam is beautiful and we want them to see everything. Okay, so we'll be leaving at almost 11:30, then we'll be leaving.
That's why we were trying
Okay.
to
Essie, blijven we goed zitten? Goed zo. Waar moeten we doen?
Ja, moet hier even.
Veel plezier. Yo, bedankt.
Kom altijd, maar daar gaat het toerisme naar.
Ja.
Kom maar een beetje, ja, wat gek. Ja, een beetje gek.
Yeah, tourists in your own country. So we are waiting, currently waiting. We have to wait for some minutes. It's almost 10 minutes more before the boat is ready for us. And I think we'll be going with this one.
Okay.
I think we are going with this one.
Deze.
Yeah.
Want dan weet je maar.
It's nice, huh?
Mama, opletten.
That's enough. Let's go.
Mama, dat wil je niet mee.
Nee, maar dit is
So we are ready to board.
Ik ben blij met mijn hoedje.
Ja.
We gaan beter buiten zitten, niet binnen.
Nee, ik wil buiten zitten.
Ja, buiten is beter. Ja, buiten is beter. Binnen is het een beetje koud. Binnen is het lekker koud.
Oh, wacht even. Geef jij
Ja.
Maar voordat er niet in.
Thank you. Nou, kom jongens. Mama, kom zo.
Oh, is er
Tell him go. Go. Tell him go. Chifa, go.
Nou, waarom laat je...
Goed zo.
Wij moeten echt snel langzaam.
Ga maar. Ga maar.
Zingt even das audio.
Yo. Dankjewel. Dankjewel.
Deze.
Ja, als jij wil luisteren, dan mag.
Waarom oordop?
Kom maar. Als jij wil luisteren. Jeva, waar wil je zitten? Wil je die kant? Nee, ik wil niet binnen zitten. Nee, ik wil genieten van de zon. Ja.
Oh, waarom gaan we daar zitten?
Ja, ga maar lekker zitten.
Kunnen we eens luisteren onder mij?
Ja, jij kan het.
Naar de zee.
Wil jij? Wat wil jij doen?
Oh, mama, je vergeet.
Kom maar.
Je moet wel je oordopje meenemen. En dan
Heb ik mee. Kom maar, is je nou de bril op?
So we are finally on board and very soon we'll be taking off. And how much does it cost for this boat?
Ja, ho, ho. I was having discount.
Yeah, we had discount as well. So each person is paying now €9. €9.
Nee, dat is het ja.
Okay. Oh, sorry. That is for children. Okay, one child is paying €9, and we the grown-ups are paying €17.5. Yeah.
Ja, dat kan.
Wat gebeurt er?
And they also have earpieces if you want to listen to the audio, all the history. Then you can just pick one and just listen along whilst the boat is cruising. Okay. Okay, so the boat is off now. Yes. Essie, that's good. So, yeah. Yeah. That is good. So. Now, what you say?
Papa doet even een videootje maken.
Ik wil naar Steven zitten.
Nou, ga naar Steven. Steven.
Come on. Oh, they're loud. where we are now is where the richest people are living in Amsterdam. So as you can see, all these apartments. Oh, before. Before.
This water is UNESCO.
So before what was here?
Preserve. So you get plenty money for this water. Keep it nice. You know, erfgoed.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can see through the tunnel. It's very beautiful. You don't want to see, have you seen it? Yeah, it's very nice, huh? Very, very beautiful.
Daar gaan ze vol. Ja, rechts transfer. Hij doet het wel. Dat heb ik wel.
Hello, Angela. What are you doing?
Chilling
You feel like it's chilling. Hello, that's good? Ja? Oké. Ja, ik heb het wel aan hoor. Jawel. Ja. sitting down, it's okay. Want it by your sister? We are almost sitting for almost 45 minutes. We'll have 15 minutes more. Yeah. And it's really nice to see all these old buildings and the way they are structured. It's very interesting to see and the history behind all of them. And I'm not listening, but Chantal is listening because I want to video everything and take pictures. But along the way, she tells me some of the stories I need to know which are very important, and she points to me which buildings I need to pay attention to. So far so good. I'm happy we've come here for the children. They are equally listening to some history as well from Amsterdam, and I hope it will go a long way to educate them on to educate them to know much more about the country Netherlands. So I'm happy we came out here today. Look at this one. That's nice. There's more here. Let's look at that. Very nice. You don't mean it. Now we are almost coming to an end of our tour. And Chantal, what do you think? I also wait.
We are in the dark.
Yeah. How do you think so far?
Oh, so far so good.
All right. You like it?
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah. You have been a tourist in your own country.
I'm tourist in my own country.
Yeah.
And I like it because I didn't see
Yeah.
myself.
Okay. Wow. There's a train station over there. So parked over there. We parked almost over there. It's not far from here. Wow. Yeah. So yeah.
The tulip.
Yeah, the tulip.
Our flower.
Yeah.
It's coming originally from Turkey.
So
It just traveled.
it's really and you guys made it popular.
We make it.
Wow, that is very Okay, so we are back now. We are back. The tour is done, and we must say it was a lovely one. We've learned a lot of history about Amsterdam. And if we Amsterdam, we are almost here. Yeah, you need to turn. The boat needs to turn now. Yeah.
You don't want chips?
So I hope you like the tour, and don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. We'll see you. Now we are going to do another one. That is going to be, we are going to take a walk through the town and also bring you some videos of that.